So now today I am going to discuss about typography and user interface design and the UX design. So typography design comes under the tool which is Figma tool. So typographic design it design involves the art and technique. It involves the art and the technique of the arranging the type to make written language legible, readable, and visually appealing. So it encompasses various aspects such as font selections, font pairing, typographic hierarchy, and spacing and layout. So typography is the art of manipulating the visual form of language to enrich and control its meaning. It is an essential area of skills and knowledge of the graphic designers. So typography, typography is nothing but say this. So typography. See this. So this is a typography. See this content. So this is the page. We having a font size, paragraph, learning equipments. So these are the typography beginning graphic design typography. So importance is nothing but it is for starting is nothing but we have this is a image. We have a stop image and. I love dogs is another image and chocolate thunder chunks is also another image. So we have combinedly we fixed it in the web page. So the typography is everywhere we look. Okay. But what exactly is typography is nothing but it is a style or appearance of the text. So the DOGE, yes. So these four, look at this 4 point or the text appearance. We will be appearance. It also refers to the art of working with the text. Something you probably do all the time if you create a documents or other projects of work, schools or yourself. So here the common types of fonts is one is say serif fonts. This one is serif fonts. This serif font is nothing but this is a font size. See this is a font. Then sans serif fonts without French without sans serif. So these are the fonts which include the sans serif. Okay. Next one is display fonts. So descriptive black letters, all caps. So because of the decorative natures, the display fonts are best amount of text. Next one is choosing a font. So these are the four fonts we have. Anyhow, which one is attractive with the people is we have to choose fonts to avoid. So the fonts to avoid is these are the fonts to avoid some extra baggage. Combining fonts. So we will be combining fonts. See this one is old Deroid serif and this one is Lato and this one is Lato with bold is offered other importance. So these are the typography. Leading is the space between the lines of the text also is line spacings. So we need line spacings. So line spacing is as tracking. Tracking is nothing but we having a overall space between the characters, sometimes called as character spacings. So this one is kerning. The kerning is nothing but the curve is there. This is the curving. So it will be bad kerning. Some fonts have we call it as bad kerning, and some call it as it varies over the various cocoas of world. Then it put all together and it will forms a one layer. Okay. So now we come to our typography. So here this is a typography X height. This see this bar and closed counter tail system link loop and here will be there. So here the key consideration in typography design is font selections, font pairing, typographic hierarchy, spacing and kerning. alignment and grids, hierarchy of informations, white space, responsive typography, and accessibility and consistency. So font selection, we used to create select the font with the serif, sans serif, script, display, and more characteristics and applications. So font pairing. So pairing is nothing but we will combine the constructing or complementary typefaces and dynamic text compositions. So we will in terms of work together with the style, weight, and proportions. So typographic hierarchy. So it helps the reader's eyes through the content by indicating the importance of different elements. So the hierarchy through variations in font size, weight, color, and style. Okay, spacing and kerning. So spacing is nothing but line spacing, and the kerning is nothing but we having a space between the letters. Alignment and grids. So aligning the text elements to grid or baselines, it helps to consistency and order in typography design. So we having a left, right, center on justified alignment, ensuring the alignments across the multiple text alignments elements enhances visual confidence and professionalism. Hierarchy of information. So beyond this text styling, the typography can convey hierarchy through the organizations and presentation of information. So here white spaces. So white space or negative space will be a visual breathing room and improving readability in typographic design. Responsive typography. So here the different size of the screen size and the device requires considerations of responsive typography. So accessibility. So the content readability and understandable by all users, including those with the visual impairments. So involves fonts with the good legibility and maintaining the sufficient color contrast and providing the options for adjustable text size consistency. So we having a multiple platforms reinforce brand identity and improves the user experience. So thank you about the typography.